Hello and welcome back to Design Republic. In today's tutorial, we will be recreating this drawing exercise from scratch. This exercise is designed to help you strengthen your CAD skills and improve your overall precision and workflow. Make sure to take a screenshot so you can follow along step by step throughout the tutorial. Without further ado, let's dive in. So guys, let's start with our drawing exercise. Before I actually start to draw anything here, I want to get rid of this transparent grid in the background. Let's come down and find this icon here, the grid mode. Click on it to disable it. We could also hit F7 on our keyboard to enable or disable our grid. Now, let's activate the line command by simply left click on the line icon here. Now, as you see, AutoCAD specify first point. It already asks us to specify the first point. Again, left click, move your mouse, and now we could again hit left click and finish drawing our first line, but I would like to draw perfect horizontal or perfect vertical lines. For that purpose, again, let's go down and find this icon here, click on it until it has a light blue color, so we get the ortho mode activated and it restricts us to only perfect vertical or perfect horizontal lines. We could also hit F8 on our keyboard to disable it, or again F8 on our keyboard to enable it. Now all we have to do, we go to move our mouse to the right side and type on our keyboard 30 and hit enter. Now, if you remember, we had to go down by 10 units. I hope you took a screenshot. So 10 units, enter again. We will go to the right side again. If you remember, the total dimension from here till here was 50. So we already took 30. What is remaining is 20 units. 20, enter. We will get to the dimensions as previously seen in our example. We will come down by 20 units, so we will type 20, enter. Here we have an angled line, and to specify or precisely draw a line with a specific angle, we will hit Shift plus smaller than sign on our keyboard. And now let's type -144 and enter. And as you see, we are logged to draw a line in 144 degrees. The length of this line was 42 units, enter. To the left side, 46, enter. We will go up by 10 units, enter. And here we again have an angled line, but we don't know quite the angle of it. So what I'm going to do, we will hit escape on our keyboard, press spacebar again to activate the line command. So one quick trick for you guys, we can simply hit spacebar, okay, to reactivate the previous command. Escape to exit it, spacebar to reactivate the previous command, which was the line command that we used, okay? So let me activate the line command either here by clicking on its icon, or I could simply hit spacebar. So now we will continue to draw here. We will come down by 18 units, enter. Go to the left side by 44 units, enter. We will move our mouse down by 18 units, enter. And now all you have to do is connect these two lines. Great. We are done with our drawing exercise. And now let's put dimensions on our drawing, okay? So I will click here on this arrow and find Deem Align It and click from this point to this point. And so we have our first dimension. Again, spacebar to reactivate the previous command, start point, end point. Great. And so we do get our dimensions. I will simply fast forward until we reach a new step. Okay, Great, guys. Now, the only thing remaining is after I have dimensioned all my lines, okay, I want to put or also display the angle of these two lines meeting at this point here. So to measure angles, we again go to our annotation tab. Here in Align It, we have this arrow here. Okay, we will go down and find Angular. Click on it to activate it. Now, left click on the first line, left click on the second line, and move your mouse. And as you see, as drawn previously, it's 144 degrees. This is it for our drawing exercise tutorial. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in our upcoming tutorial.